It's not seeking to go taste the tastiest pie you've ever had in your life, which I got a video about. But what it is telling you is that it's consistently seeking what it needs. Sustenance, spiritual sustenance. To feed you, you're connected. You're not separate from it. Get in tune with your spirit. Moles have to use some type of intuition or psychic ability to say, all it's seen is complete blackness and feeling hard stuff, which is dirt, its whole life, unless it comes out from under the ground. That's its life, and using the nose. So it has to have some type of intuition to say, oh, I know when the ground is this rough, it's this kind of grass, and usually in this kind of grass, it's these kind of grubs. Grubs are little bugs, worm-looking bugs before they become bugs on top of the surface. They grow underground. And that's what they eat. And they eat roots. So it has to have some type of intuition to navigate in that environment. Whatever kind of spirit the mole has, it's exactly what it needs, and it's so in tune, it don't know nothing else. It hasn't had a possum come in and try to corrupt it, like, you're not a mole, you're a possum. You eat what we eat. You eat garbage. Now, I'm not gonna say possums eat garbage, but you eat what we eat. You hang on trees with us. You hide up under bushes on top of the surface. You are a possum. But you're really a mole. It's now up to you to make that distinction based on what your spirit has learned. All the new information that you're getting, it's up to you to process it physically, mentally, with your brain, connected through your spirit. This is your sign that it is time. No more running. No more running. Now, what is one of the benefits? What is one of the benefits of moving forward? As we talk about the benefits of you evolving your spirit and balancing with your physical self, you're going to lose some things physically. You're not going to want to go and party as much. You're not going to want to waste time as much. You're going to be spending more time finding things that will elevate you versus wasting your spiritual and physical time. Now, as you grow, you're going to get some new truths. Now, the green stone, the green chrysoprase or the lemon chrysoprase, chrysoprase. The lemon, or some people would say lime because it's green, chrysoprase. That's a stone that's focused on promoting happiness. It's promoting happiness. It also promotes feelings of love and forgiveness. It also helps you heal the heart from depression and anxiety. So as you're going through this phase, this is a sign with the green stone or the lime chrysoprase or chrysoprase. It's going to promote happiness for you. It's going to help you heal from the depression you've had in the past, as well as your anxiety. But you have to step into the new you. Remember the egg, the feminine energy? Remember the sperm, which is the masculine energy, which makes up you? You have to bring those together now, become a new you. And the green stone matches with unwavering. In this process, you can't waver, which means you can't fall. You could stumble. Even if you do fall, you're going to have to get up. Because your new foundation has to be unwavering, which means it's up to you to make this new foundation as solid as it could be. It's up to you. That is your message today from nature. Be blessed, be focused, and continue to move forward physically on the earth or spiritually elsewhere. Have them combine together and walk in the new you. Till next time, Philosopher A.D. Jones. Peace.